What if I told you a shrimp's heart is in its head? Yep, you heard that right. That's right, folks. In the fascinating world of shrimp, their heart and their brain share the same space. Unlike humans, a shrimp's heart is located right behind its head, nestled in its thorax. This unique anatomy means that their vital organs are protected by their hard exoskeleton. But why, you ask? Well, shrimp are tiny and vulnerable creatures, so having everything in one protected spot helps them survive in the wild. Next time you see a shrimp, remember, it's more than just a tasty treat. It's a marvel of nature's engineering. Now, that's something to ponder next time you're by the seaside. Stay curious, my friends. And who knows, maybe you'll discover more hidden wonders beneath the waves.